Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over Gold Miners Jr. ETF ticker symbol GDXJ. Today we are down 4.1% on the 1 hour chart. We do see we are near oversold RSI but not quite yet, and I do believe the 1 hour MACD would turn negative very soon. And as for the 4 hour chart, we see our divergence on the 4 hour MACD, and we broke support on the 18 moving average. The next support will be the 50 moving average. And on the daily chart, we are currently on support on the 18-day moving average, this purple line. So throughout today, we need to see if the candlestick closes above this 18-day moving average. If it doesn't, it'll proceed lower and touch the 9-day moving average. So if support of 18-day moving average and 9-day moving average do fail, I do see next possible real support level being the 50-day moving average, and this coincides with price resistance back in June, and since we're above that resistance, it currently acts as support. So I'll mark that as a possible support. And however, if we do reverse from today's projection, we could see near highs back in early August and early September. So that price or that resistance is at $42.60. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement is roughly around 9%, and onto support, that price movement is roughly around 7.9% or close to 8% move down. So let's head to the forecast model. On here I'll go day by day, where GDXJ or Gold Miners Jr. will head to the next coming days. So we have 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So which one of these forecast models we should focus on? Ideally, the model that is the best match to the current trend. We have the current trend right here, and below is the trend that I believe is the best match, and this trend dates back to June 14, 2006 to September 8, 2016. So let me point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning of the trend, we average above the middle Bollinger Band for several weeks. Then we took a slight dip to touch the middle Bollinger Band and close below the middle Bollinger Band for several days. And then we peaked once more right here, nearing the upper Bollinger Band, but we proceeded to head down lower to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right here. And next we touch or revert back to the middle Bollinger Band, and that is where we are currently at. So let's head to the forecast or the model in question. So on here we average above the middle Bollinger Band for several weeks. So we have that there. We touch the bottom Bollinger Band right at this instance. So let's just mark all the instances where it touches the middle Bollinger Band, so right towards the end as well. And let's mark where it touches the upper Bollinger Band. We see this instance here where it nears the upper Bollinger Band and then proceeds to lose steam and lose strength and gets weaker to touch the bottom Bollinger Band. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast should be fairly the same. And this forecast model is available in the link below when it releases. So do sign up for that. So the forecast model that we just examined, June 16, and 2016 to September 2016, GDXJ was down roughly 7.9% or 7.91. So we may do see gold fall lower and may even touch the resistance level that I marked on the technical analysis. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.